Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you past indefinite. So what is past indefinite? In order to learn this, we need to see the usage of past indefinite. Here we have the usage of past indefinite. What's the usage? The work start in the past and finish in the past. The work start in the past and finish in the past. This is the usage of past indefinite. Now it's time to see the structure and examples of past indefinite. What's the first example? He ate dinner. He ate dinner. Definitely, what is the usage? The work start in the past. For example, in any work, start in the past and also finish in the past and also finish the past. Definitely, he ate dinner. Definitely, he started, the dinner and he also completed the dinner in the past. Okay. For second example is he completed his work. He completed his work. Definitely, he started his work and also completed his work. Okay. So definitely the work started in the past and finished in the past. Whenever we need to show this, we use past indefinite. Then we have they played football. They played football. Definitely they started and they also completed. They played football. Now they are not playing. Now they are no more. They are not playing. So definitely this is the work started in the past and finished in the past. So what is past indefinite? The work started in the past and finished in the past. Now it's time to see the structure of past indefinite. So the structure is here: subject, verb, and object. So what is mean by subject? Subject means doer. It can be me, it can be you, it can be he, it can be she, it can be Naveed, it can be anyone. Okay. So here we have he, here we have he, and here we have they. Then we have verb. Do you know what is mean by verb? Verb means a word which is used to indicate the act. It's called verb. For example, if I say that eat, if I say sit, if I say see, so definitely these words are defining act. These words are defining act. Definitely. So this is called verb. And as you know, how many kinds of verb do we have? We have four kinds: first form, second form, third form, and fourth form. Here we are using second form because this is past. To show the past, we use second form. Here we can see that here we have ate. In the place of ate, we could say eat, but definitely this is the second form. Therefore, we have to use ate. This is the second form: eat, ate, and eaten. Getting me? The first form is eat, second form is ate, and eaten is definitely is the third form. But here we are using second form according to structure. Then we have he completed. The first form is complete, but because here we have the second form, here we have to use second form which is completed. Play, just play is the first form, but because here we have to use you can say second form, that's why we have played. Then we have object. Object is very important. Object is like sold in any recipe. For example, if you are cooking something, if you are cooking, for example, biryani or anything, but if you don't use or if you don't put salt, so do you think you will get the taste of all spices? No, you won't, because salt is the main ingredient. Same here. If we say all the sentence but not object, so we don't get a proper sense. For example, we say that he ate what? He ate dinner, he ate lunch, what? We are confused now. But as I'm saying a dinner, we are no more confused. So object is very important. Second example, we have he completed his work. He completed what? He completed what? He completed his work, her work, their work, what? Definitely we are confused now. Here we have they played. So if we don't use football here, so what did they play? Did they play you can say football, or you can say hockey, cricket, what? Definitely we are confused. So object is very important. Now it's time to see the negative and the interrogative of past indefinite. So let's move towards the negative of past indefinite. So negative. Yeah, okay. So here we have the negative of past indefinite. What does it mean by negative? In the negative we say no. In this negative we say no. For example, he did not eat dinner. He did not eat. Here we say no, no, no. He did not eat dinner. So in order to show not, we use did not. Okay. Here in the different here we can say that he did not complete his work. They did not play football. So what we did, definitely we added did not, and as well as we you can say here we are using word first form. Here we are using first form. Okay. In the negative we use did not and we use word first form. Now it's time to see the interrogative. What is the interrogative? Interrogative means in the interrogative we ask question. For example, here say that did he eat dinner? Did he eat dinner? Did he complete his work? Did they play football? So what we do, definitely in the interrogative we add you can say question mark at the end, and as well as did come first, did come first, and definitely we remove not. Okay, did come first to show the interrogative. So here we are asking question. Interrogative is for asking question. Did he eat dinner? Did he complete his work? Did they play football? So what is past indefinite? Definitely we use past indefinite. The work started in the past and finished in the past. This was the affirmative, negative, and interrogative. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture, and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amallah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.